Alright, we're here on 10 days left, and we're gonna drill out this pin because we spent the last, week, more than that, trying to get this fecker out.
Oh, it feels like, you know what I mean?
Yeah, let's take a peek here, look. So as you can see, we
got one bit stuck.
We tried to drill it out with this one bit, but it got stuck in there. Yeah, we disconnected it from back there thinking it'd be okay, but we need to use that piece of wood to prop up the Mini now, because we're going to be dropping the subframe, because these sit on the subframe, so we need to have the wood underneath so we can drop the subframe.
Can you, are you able to shift gears?
Yeah, I can shift a gear.
Oh, that's gonna be hard.
Shifting gears with it disconnected.
Yeah.
How's that? That's fourth gear.
That's way worse.
How's that?
Oh, that's the same.
How's that?
That's probably the worst it's been. Oh, wait, right there.
Hang on.
Just don't move. Don't engage it or anything.
Okay.
Here, go grab that, go grab a punch and a hammer here.
Okay.
The framing hammer.
Oh yeah!
Next one.
Woo! Okay. Car is now on the boards. Next step is to take all the bolts out. To hold the subframe in.
So here's the great shock compression and rebound.
And here is the...
Oh, it's like a pro comp truck. It's amazing.
Oh, look at this. I can't even budge it.
Can you really not? Wow.
I can't even budge it.
That's insane.
John, can you budge it?
I don't know. I didn't see that. No.
No, those
It
are
actually functions.
they actually function. Well, so to update everybody, we've now taken the shock off and the cross member in preparedness for the subframe removal. And now we're going to be taking these bolts here.
Where's the bolts?
These ones off. And then we've already taken these fellas off. There's a on each side. And then it's these big guys here, the big ones. See, we got a big...
Alright, well we're getting into the real nitty gritty here, and Mr. Baker is using the old muscles there. These are the last two bolts to come out of the vehicle to drop the engine and the subframe. We'll be filming this. I'm going to just turn off for a moment till we get to a more critical point. Thank you. Now, I think we're at a very interesting juncture here. Oh, there she is! And the man on the other video had to use a great big long one. Aye, my lads are stronger than the man in the video. Mind you, he was from Canada, so that probably explains a lot.
Yeah.
Whoa!
I feel like I had pretty good control on it.
Yep, it's going down, it's going down. So after some deliberation, it's been decided to jack the engine back up because we've found an earth cable at the back that needs to be disconnected. So it's going back up nicely, which is round two. I think you can see the offending cable hanging from the car now. And there she goes. We're getting very low now. Yes, she's nearly there.
We're touching on the left.
Yeah, but it's going to go up a little bit. Yeah, it's starting to level out.
We're slowly doing the end.
Oh, look at that. And the old A-series engine is finally out of the body of the car. This is a momentous moment. Let's get a comment from Alexander.
You know, I've been looking forward to this day.
And now we're talking. Whoa!
Okay, we now have the A-series motor over here, and we got the new Vtec over here. And the plan now is to remove all these pieces. Well, I'll probably keep this. I don't know. We were struggling with that a second ago, but we'll get rid of the wiring loom. And this rack and pinion system is going to come out because we're going to make it left-hand drive. I know, boo-hoo! But it's safer and it will be easier for the conversion. We'll update you from there. Honda!